right? I always say, nani niyaz, avoid unnecessary free kick. Was the free kick avoidable? Let's have a look. Now, ibhola le Chiefs, no pressure whatsoever, right? Play the ball here, boo, boo, foul. Development is very important, guys. Now watch Umunyani. This is where the problem started. Development. Like your first touch, guys. Your first touch. I-first touch yakho izokukhipha enkingeni or izokufaka enkingeni. Laphaya imfaka enkingeni. He traps the ball, but he doesn't trap the ball ukuthi makaphakamisa ikhanda bese ayaphasa. Ultrapile wabheka phakathi. And then he does this bese khana azofuna ukuphasa. Let me show you again. He traps the ball. That's his major problem. He always trap ball, akaltrap a face phambili. He always traps the ball a face phakathi nendawo. Watch. Traps the ball, look where he's facing. Now watch what he does. Now he turns kana a face le, which is wrong. Let's look at the goal. Let's look at the goal. Poor defending, poor goalkeeping. Arigo crash, we're not under 12 here. This is this is Kaizer Chiefs. Uvimba didn't mfanagiti. Now the problem, problem ikale le enzansi, how we considered the free kick. Now the problem again, simakile la, and then what's happening mfanagiti? Ilanga liyakushisa, you can't see. I don't know. Mara goalkeeper mfanagiti. Ibhola liye mfanagiti.